Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Talk Help Guy. Today, I'm going to show you how you can change your time and date in your laptop or your PC. So, right now, I am on Windows 10, and the current date for my computer is Tuesday, February 18th. Well, the main thing you want to do here is you want to go to Settings, and then afterwards, go here, and then on the search bar, type in time, change that date and time, enter that, and automatically here you can now change your time zone. So you can either have it set automatically or you can select a time zone here. So you have different time zones here. You have Tokyo, you have Seoul, Korea. There are a lot of locations rather to choose from. So depending on where you are located or what time you want to use. So for example, if you're working in the US but you're working for a company that's in Asia, you can set it here and automatically that would then set your time depending on where you are and where you want to be. You can also choose the region here. This way, not only will it change the time, but it will also change the language displayed. And that's very interesting. Here again, you can find your date and time. And that's it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you out in changing the time and date of your PC or laptop. If we did manage to help you out, please do hit the like button and, of course, hit the subscribe as well so that you can follow us for more videos just like this only here on Talk Guy.